Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Driven Wild. Today we are talking about, dear Lord, if they deliver air, I'm gonna lose my S. Customer orders just air from McDonald's through Doordash. With customers and drivers and Doordash as a platform, sometimes you get some really ridiculous orders. And in this particular case, a customer is concerned about ordering just air. How do you even order air on Doordash to begin with? Air doesn't cost anything. What, they're gonna charge you delivery fees to show up and breathe? So with that said, I want to go over what is being said in this article, how it actually is for gig workers, customers, as well as what it's like on the platform and everything in between. So with that said, let's get started. A TikToker said he tried to place a fake order through Doordash to test what his driver would end up delivering. Oh boy, here we go. You know, honestly, with the amount of fake orders and prank orders on Doordash, all of us are pretty much tired of it. Like, all of us at this point know that those orders are a scam to begin with. In this case, it's a social media thing. In a video posted by TikToker Anthonyjojola says he ordered a cheeseburger through the app. He shows that he ordered his burger with no cheese, pickles, mustard, bread, ketchup, onions, meat, or salt. As of Monday, his video has over 146,000 views. The things you do for content, huh? I'm going to leave his TikTok as well as his profile in the description so you can develop your own opinions on the subject. Okay, so this makes a little bit more sense to me. I've actually been on the receiving end of orders like this. Not just on DoorDash, on Grubhub, Uber Eats, etc., etc., etc. And this isn't so much a test for DoorDash, this is a test for McDonald's. And there are two types of McDonald's workers that'll take these orders. The first is the McDonald's that would actually call the customer and make sure this is the order they actually want. Either that or they will ask the driver. And the second type of McDonald's worker will just do as they're told. You wanted a burger with literally nothing on it? Great. We will put it all wrapped up and then send it to you that way. In fact, there have been times where people have ordered that and only got a slice of cheese. In fact, I made a video talking all about that situation. I'll leave it in the description. Feel free to check it out. Dear Lord, if they deliver air, I'm going to lose my S, the text overlay reads. It's your own fault for screwing up with that. It's not a DoorDash problem, it's your own fault. That's what you get for playing around on social media. The end of the video shows a DoorDash driver delivering his food, but the video cuts off shortly thereafter. Wait, you didn't even say what you ended up getting? What kind of nonsense is that? The saga comes to a close, the text overlay reads. Like, seriously, you didn't tell anybody what you ended up getting. You just literally cut it off at the end saying you got your order, whatever that was. Altogether, Anthony's food, which was essentially nothing, cost him a little over $2. The delivery fee, service fee, and taxes, however, brought his total to $10. That's assuming that you actually got nothing, but that being said, let's assume that he did. It cost him $10 for him to get literally air. That's the worst $10 he would end up spending. In the comments, several viewers were stunned that Anthony went through with the stunt. Anthony commented that the driver only delivered an empty box. That was literally what you ordered. You ordered an empty box. Like I said, there are two types of McDonald's workers. You got the former, the one that literally followed through on what you ordered. No way, the top comment on this video said. LMFAO, why did you order it though? A second viewer wrote. Honestly surprised McDonald's didn't cancel the order, another added. This is my opinion. It's worth what you pay for it. None of you pay me. There you go. Honestly, it's your own fault for pulling a prank like this and expecting something else. You paid $10 for an empty box. That's also what you get for knowing damn well that it was a social media prank to test it, and hopefully the AdSense pays you well, but honestly, on TikTok, it's not really that worth it. However, it does seem like it was pretty funny, and I wouldn't be surprised if it was to you as well. I hope the 146,000 views was worth it to you, my dude. Because a lot of drivers would see that and be like, nope, I'm not gonna be on the receiving end of this stuff. And not to mention, it was $10, and that doesn't even account for the tip. Did you not tip your driver either? It's just ridiculous that you even did this to begin with. All in all, make sure if you place an order on DoorDash, Uber Eats, or Grubhub that you're not playing these games and you're not spending $10 on essentially nothing. because that's a waste of everyone's time. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. As always, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace!